What if I told you I could improve your body's immune response, all from the comfort of your own chair with nothing but your breath? Sounds like a bit of a golden ticket, right? Well, it is. Today, the technique I'm going to show you is a silver bullet for the immune response, as well as a myriad of other physiological benefits, including mental alertness, your mental health, and decreased inflammation. The Wim Hof breathing technique is a technique that was started by the Iceman himself, Wim Hof. He's the guy that climbed Everest in his board shorts and thongs. It sounds pretty crazy, doesn't it? Well, he attributes his success and his incredible feats purely to this breathing technique and a bit of meditation. So today we're going to go through this breathing technique to hopefully unlock your body's natural resiliency. Before we get started on the technique today, I want to share with you a little bit of a safety warning. Now, the first thing to note is I want you to be doing this in a really comfortable position, whether it be sitting down or lying in somewhere that you feel comfortable and safe. The reason for that is this technique is probably one of the more aggressive or intense experiences that we've done together. Not in a bad way, but part of the experience you'll be feeling some lightheadedness or some tingling in your hands. What I want you to make sure you're not doing is forcing it. We want you to be comfortable with everything, but again, just reminding you, they're natural symptoms that you should be feeling as part of the technique. So the technique itself, the technique involves 3 parts. The first being 30 deep breaths in and out continuously. The second being an elongated breath hold. And then the third being a recovery breath, so you can bring your body back to that balanced state that you are in now. We're gonna go through the 30 breaths. They're gonna be really deep. It's gonna go in through your nose, into your belly, then your lungs, and then out consistently and quickly through your mouth. So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna do that 30 times. At the end of that 30 times, we're gonna do one more, and then we're gonna hold for as long as you can. Once you've finished with the breath hold, try to keep it relaxed. We're going to do a recovery breath, breathing in, out, and then holding for about 10 to 15 seconds, just to allow the body to come back to balance. Now, the way this technique works is fascinating, and there's a lot of science behind it and a lot of in-depth understanding. We're going to put a blog up on lifehub.com.au for you to get a full understanding of what's going on. But in short, this technique relies on our body's plasticity and ability to adapt to stresses. When we lift heavy weights, we get stronger. When we do harder math problems, we get smarter. When we put stress on the circulatory and respiratory systems, we get better circulatory and respiratory systems. Not only that, this technique has been shown to allow people to fight off bacteria faster than people who don't use the technique with much less symptoms. So there's your golden ticket. The benefits far outweigh those complications. So if you're looking for an improved immune response, if you're looking for improved lung capacity, improved mental alertness, decreased inflammation, decreased anxiety, improvement in your stress levels, this is the one for you. Give it a crack. If you're struggling with this, however, take a breath and try again. We'll see you next time.